Alright, so you're seeing this after I've already done the computer, but this actually came before the computer. So let's just do a little quick unboxing. So I got some I can never say this, NVMe storage, 2 terabytes, because Apple is criminal. And then I got this dock by U Green in order to expand my Mac. And then I got this keyboard because I've been a laptop guy my whole time. This was the cheapest, best Mac compatible keyboard that I could find on Amazon. Looks pretty fire. So that's that. I'm actually gonna put this together because I am patiently waiting for this damn computer to get here. I need an unboxing knife, a whole bunch of stuff I don't care for, and then you got the actual keyboard. Feels pretty much exactly like a Mac keyboard, pretty clean. This is supposed to solve all my problems with buying the base model of the Mac Mini. Pretty straightforward. Mac Mini, got another display port, 2 USB A's, another USB C, another USB A, another USB A, SD card, which is good for transferring footage. See you when I get the actual Mac Mini. So this is where you would put your NVMe, and this is where I am going to put my NVMe. So apparently I bought the wrong NVMe drive. This is not compatible with, yeah. So I gotta return this. It doesn't fit in there. Annoying. All right, so it's finally arrived. I'm not gonna do an all-out unboxing video, but I'll give you guys a little bit of the ASMR, whatever it's called. This is it. These. Ta-da. And this is it. I'm gonna set it up and then I'll get back to you. All right, so over the last few years, I would say maybe the last 8 to 10 years, I've been a literal dinosaur when it comes to my computer that I'm using to do these videos and to make music and basically do everything that I do, from graphic design, video editing. I've been using this old archaic 2012 MacBook Pro. I can't talk bad about it. It's brought me to where I'm at right now. So this will actually be the first video that I'm using a new computer to edit this video. Inception, you know what I'm saying?
What?
But this is basically just an update of the journey that you guys have been following me on with YouTube and just like documenting all this stuff that I've been doing over the last few years. So I could finally put this to rest and take advantage of new technologies like stem separation and AI processing and all that kind of stuff. Because this M4, this Mac Mini, it runs like a Ferrari, and it's just, I can't wait for you guys to see all the stuff that I'm going to be doing with it. New beats, new workflows, you know, new programs, new plugins, all these things that I wasn't capable of doing before, I can now do it on the new Mac Mini. So make sure you guys tune in and check it out, man. That's all I really got to say. This video is not really about nothing. It's just an update. Shout out all the people that have been sticking around, watching all the videos, getting some game, you know, just getting some entertainment from me, cooking up and all that kind of stuff. More videos on the way. Happy New Year. Let's go.